Alright, Sal. AK-47 short barrel rifle. Sal at the ready.
Am I too high?
I don't know, you look good to me.
I'm right on.
He's shooting at pumpkins over there. I don't know if we can see it. Oh, he hit one! He hit the pumpkin! Can't see it. Pumpkin's dead. Oh yeah! Woo! Nailing that sucker!
Alright, 2 in a row!
That one got away. Get another one. Oh yeah! Hit that pumpkin.
Alright. Try it, John?
Sure.
Hi, here comes John. John's coming up.
Hey, Dad. Yeah.
That's Joey. Hey, Joey.
Just grab a swig.
Smile, you're on YouTube, yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
The more you lay down into that sight right there and line it up, you'll be okay. I got the safety on. Okay.
Kind of like pry that safety away from the gun. It kind of slides.
Safety's hard. You have to push down real hard.
Might have to pull it that way, kind of a little. You got it. There you go. Alright.
Okay, so you said just line this bad boy up with that?
And then go, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Just hold it tight?
Yeah.
Got a kick.
Woo! Good shot!
Time.
That's it?
Yeah, it might be.
Yeah.
I left you one.
I know there's more bullets in there, but...
Oh yeah. Just pull it back pull it back all the way.
Oh. Every time I shoot, I got to pull it back?
No, just that one time. And just kind of pull it back and let go real fast. There you go.
Okay.
So one the cartridge. Right, which was it? Elmer Fudd, right?
Elmer J. Fudd.
Elmer J. Fudd. One more bullet.
Woo! Woo! There you go. You hit it. Hit it again. Oh, you got it now.
Hit the little guys.
Oh, don't hit those. They'll blow up.
What?
The little ones, don't hit those.
Yeah, it's not made for that gun.
I hit
Okay, it's okay. Hit the orange man. Oh, that's it.
All right, let's go down and take a look.
Woo! Yeah.
Let's see what kind of damage you did, John.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It didn't come... Just watch out. Was it just...
Yeah, I get it. I think it's just hot. It's a real tight gun.
Oh.
I just put it here.
Man, it's so cool.